Καλημέρα σας, καλημέρα παιδιά, τι κάνετε? Είμαι μια χαρά, okay? I'm very well, very well, very like happy, okay? Είμαι η Σάρα, I am Sara και μαθαίνω ελληνικά and I am learning Greek. And today my main focus is the possessives because even though it's something like very basic, I haven't done it yet and I get all confused all the time. So today is the day that I'm gonna fix that because I have created some phrases for you and for me to be focused, and the next couple of days I'm gonna be repeating this again and again so I get it. The way it works, the possessive, is quite different from Spanish and from English, okay? So first of all, let's pay attention to the phrases and then we just explain a little bit. I'm saying we because, we are all learning, okay? So, πάμε. Εγώ έχω ένα κινητό. Ναι, έχω ένα κινητό. Το κινητό μου είναι μαύρο. Ναι, το κινητό μου είναι μαύρο. So, I have a phone. My phone, το κινητό μου είναι μαύρο. My phone is black. So, pay attention how it works. Το κινητό μου. The next one. Εσύ έχεις κιθάρα? Ναι, εσύ έχεις κιθάρα? Ναι, έχω μία κιθάρα. Εντάξει, η κιθάρα σου είναι ισπανική? Όχι, η κιθάρα μου δεν είναι ισπανική. Η κιθάρα μου είναι κλασική. Ναι, είναι κλασική. Εντάξει, πολύ ωραία. Ευχαριστώ. Η κιθάρα σου, your guitar. Η κιθάρα σου, that's your guitar, okay? The next one. Now we've got το αγόρι παίζει με τον σκύλο του, okay? Το αγόρι παίζει με τον σκύλο του, okay? The boy plays with his dog. And then we say, ο σκύλος του είναι μεγάλος. Ο σκύλος του είναι μεγάλος. His dog is big. Okay? Ο σκύλος is a masculine noun. Alright? Ο σκύλος του is in the nominative way. We will be more in deep with these cases, nominative and accusative, a bit more further, okay, in our learning process, which is interesting as well. Okay, but one thing at a time. The next one. Η γυναίκα παίζει με την γάτα της. Yeah. Η γυναίκα παίζει με την γάτα της. The woman plays with her cat. Η γάτα της είναι γκρι. Η γάτα της είναι γρι. Όχι, γκρι. Η γάτα της είναι γκρι. Be careful with the pronunciation of this word. Her cat is gray. I think in English is gray. Okay? Γκρι. Η γάτα της. Then let's go with the next one. Ο κύριος γράφει ένα γράμμα. Ο κύριος γράφει ένα γράμμα. Γράμμα. Δεν είμαι σίγουρα. Ο κύριος γράφει ένα γράμμα. I think it's γράμμα, but I will check and I will do it better when I edit. Ο γράμμα του, όχι, Σάρα, please, το γράμμα του είναι σημαντικό. His letter is important. Το γράμμα του. Το γράμμα is a neutral noun. That's why it has the το γράμμα. Okay? Είναι σημαντικό. Next one. Εμείς έχουμε μόνο μία ομπρέλα. Ναι. We have just one umbrella. I forgot in English. Η ομπρέλα μας, our umbrella, η ομπρέλα μας είναι μικρή και μαύρη. Είναι μικρή και μαύρη. Our umbrella is small and black. Εσείς έχετε ένα φυτό. You have a plant. Εσείς έχετε ένα φυτό. Similar like this one. Ένα φυτό. A plant. Το φυτό σας, your plant, plural, your plant. Το φυτό σας είναι όμορφο. Ναι, είναι όμορφο. Okay. And let's go with the last one, the plural, the they, okay? Οι γυναίκες οι γυναίκες διαβάζουν μία εφημερίδα. The women are reading a newspaper, okay? And here the possessive. Η εφημερίδα τους είναι αγγλική. Η εφημερίδα τους είναι αγγλική. Αγγλική. That English, the newspaper, their newspaper is English, would say αγγλική. Sounds like ugly key. Oh my god. Anyway, so here in the plural form doesn't change. Whether is they masculine, αυτοί, they feminine, αυτές, or they neutral, αυτά, the possessive doesn't change. It's τους, okay? So, εφημερίδα τους, their newspaper. Okay, so as a vocabulary word and as a recap of the possessive in singular is το κινητό μου, my phone, my mobile phone. Η κιθάρα σου, your guitar. Ο σκύλος, be careful with the σκύλος, Sarah, please. Ο σκύλος is σκύλος. If you are a Spanish speaker, be careful with our Spanish habit of saying español, esquilos, because it's like kilos, all right? Okay, never mind because I always do, so I need to pay attention to that.
Η γάτα της.
Her cat.
Η γάτα.
By the way, it's like a feminine noun, but it doesn't really mean the cat is going to be feminine. It's like a generic, okay? If you want to point out, you can change the gender. But in general, when you say, oh, a cat, they use η γάτα, okay? Or
μία γάτα.
A cat, or the cat, η γάτα, okay? Just a generic knowledge. Το γράμμα του. That two is the same for neutral and for masculine, okay? Happens to be the same. Η ομπρέλα μας, our umbrella. Το φυτό σας, your plural, okay, or also the formal you, το φυτό σας, your plant. Η εφημερίδα τους is their newspaper, τους, okay? So this is for the singular, but tachan, for the plural, doesn't change, okay? I mean, let me explain. Obviously, the plural nouns, they will be plural, but the possessive is not being affected by that. And this is a good thing because I don't need to remember more things. But if you're a Spanish speaker, be careful because in Spanish language, we make plural the possessives. But in Greek, they don't. The same with English language. So something, okay, a bit easier. How would it work? Let's imagine that all these nouns that I have seen, or we have seen, they become plural. So tokinito becomes takinita, and it will be takinita mu. Η κιθάρα becomes οι κιθάρες, οι κιθάρες σου. Η σκύλη του, η σκύλη του, οι
γάτες
της,
τα γράμματά του.
Okay? Οι ομπρέλες μας, τα φυτά σας, οι εφημερίδες τους. Oh my goodness. So hard. Anyway, I need to make a note. Have you noticed that τα γράμματά του like has two stresses? Okay? There is a rule when this happens, that some words, when they get their possessive, have like double, not double, but they have two stresses. How did it feel? How are you going on with your Greek? Is it going well? I hope this is helping you in the same way it helps me, and I advise you to at least a couple of days revise all this. It will help you massively. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, alright? And keep progressing, because that's the most important thing. Φιλάκια πολλά, τα λέμε μετά. Αντίο. Όχι. Oh! No! All the time the bloody noise. Anyway, Sarah, relax. Υπομονή. Κάνω υπομονή. Ωραία. Oh no. Έκανε ξανά. Δεν κάνω υπομονή.
For those words that have the stress more than 2 syllables away from the last one, for example, τα γράμματα, when we need to add the possessive pronoun, we must add an extra stress on the last syllable. For example, τα γράμματά μου.